Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable chicken soup. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 4 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables like carrots, celery, and peas, and 8 cups of chicken broth. Make sure all your veggies are chopped into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and are easy to eat. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and garlic, cooking them until they are fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add your chicken pieces to the pot and cook them until they are lightly browned. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your soup. Then, pour in 8 cups of chicken broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. Once your broth is simmering, it's time to add the rest of your delicious vegetables. Stir in the 4 cups of mixed vegetables, ensuring they are submerged in the broth. Now for the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and any herbs you like, such as a bay leaf or a pinch of dried thyme. Let the soup simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender crisp. Almost done. Carefully remove the cooked chicken from the pot and shred it using 2 forks. Return the shredded chicken to the soup. Give your soup a final taste and adjust any seasonings if necessary, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. Ladle the warm, comforting vegetable chicken soup into bowls. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a touch of color and extra freshness. Enjoy your homemade, easy, and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.